Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. I try to show you as many products as I can that give you sheeting action when it comes to water behavior. It really does help with water spot problems. There are not really a lot to choose from, including mine. There are maybe a handful of decent products. Here is another one I would recommend. A little bit more work than others, but it is a two-part copolymer system. This is 3D Nitro Seal. This comes in a kit. The kit, well, the price is all over the place. You can find it for $37.99. It has been out for quite some time now. The kit, if prepped for and maintained properly, will give you protection for up to 12 months and maybe even far beyond. So let's break open the content from this kit and let's sheet together. The content of the kit includes the HD Nitro Seal Part A, 1.5 ounces, the HD Nitro Seal Part B, 2 ounces, a red foam applicator, a black foam applicator, a high-quality microfiber towel, edgeless, latex gloves, and the instruction sheet. And of course, prep. Even on my test panels, I'm going to take the time and prep them properly. All right, the first thing we're going to do is grab the sealant marked Part A, and that matches up with the black foam pad, applicator pad. We're going to dab 3 dime-sized drops onto that foam pad. That's going to be plenty. Actually, a little bit goes a long way, and that will be enough for half of a hood this size anyways. Take your time and get around the car, make sure it's on evenly, because you're going to let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This will let it haze over. It may look a little bit hazy. The appearance can look like wet patches. That's all normal. Just wait. I'm going to say 15 to 20 minutes, especially if you're in a controlled environment like a shop environment. When you have waited the proper amount of time, take out Part B and the red foam applicator. Again, 3 dime-sized drops on the applicator. That is more than enough to do half the size of a medium-sized hood. Part A was more of an oily substance to rub in. This is more of a cream. Just get it on the panel the best you can. It doesn't matter if you're applying in straight lines, crisscross patterns, or circular motions. Allow Part A and Part B to interact and react with each other. That will let the polymers cross-link and bond to the surface. A minimum of an hour to let these two sit together. If you look to the right on the instruction sheets, it will say for better results, if you can, wait up to 24 hours before wiping off. 1 hour, 24 hours, it doesn't matter if you have the time. It wipes off easily. It doesn't matter which way you go with it. This is after an afternoon, coming back towards the end of the day, applying right before lunch, and it comes right off. And you can feel the slickness immediately under your towel. The kit is easily enough to do 2 mid-size sedans. Once the product's on and we're at this point here, let it be for 48 hours. Let it cure for optimum performance. And then you can really maintain with anything you want. They recommend the HD epoxy from 3D, staying within the family. As you can see, very slick. The block takes off with just the slightest angle. By the way, you can also apply Part A and Part B with a polisher and a black application pad as well. When it comes to gloss, here you go. Very, very high and impressive. Bring on the heat. And when we take the panel outside and check on the water behavior, we'll check and see if this area here was affected. And as you can see, it hasn't been affected at all. And the sheeting action, this is exactly what I want from a protection package or any protection product on my vehicle anyway. Not only does it cut back on the water spots, it helps with water spotting, but it also helps to keep your car cleaner longer, sheeting that water and the dirt that it carries right off the panel. We're going to skip the 10 wash test. This product will not wash off anytime soon. I'd be here all afternoon. Seems to have excellent chemical resistance. Actually, the kit would be great for those that just are not ready to step up into ceramics. So you still need a clean environment. You still need a nice, cool place to apply it. You still need to take a good weekend to get this on there and let it cure, but I really think you'd be happy. It's a little bit more work than your traditional sealant, but I enjoy it. This would be right there with your entry-level ceramic coating, 1-year ceramic coating, or maybe just a tiny step below it. So let's throw some harsh chemicals at it. This is a solvent-based panel prep. Rather harsh, removing old waxes and sealants. That's what we use it for. So let's spray it on there heavily. You can see it just beating and sheeting the solvent right off the panel. Very impressive. No effect whatsoever, so let's do just one more round with this, and I'll take a microfiber and rub it into the protectant. No problem whatsoever. Let's just try one more thing. The Citral 266, another product that will easily remove wax and sealants. We're not going to go crazy here. Being like an entry-level ceramic coating, we would really have a long video trying to break this stuff down. So I'm just going to put it behind the shop, let it get direct sunlight and dust and dirt, and we'll check up on it every once in a while. No problem whatsoever, and my favorite part, watching it pull together, and stream off the panel. Let me know down in the comment section what you think of the kit, what you think of beading versus sheeting, and would it be worth a little bit extra time and effort for this product. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.